Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here doing another acrylic fluid art pour for you. The famous L foil, that's what we call it in Australia. I'm going to use this as my base to dip on. I'm actually trying a smaller canvas today because I'm trying out a new pouring medium. I'll put the link, I'll put the little video to the pouring medium mix, unless I put it at the beginning of this particular technique. I'm just trying a little dip. I like dipping. I mean, you're pouring the paint onto the foil. Some people say, what's the difference? It doesn't make any difference. But I find it gives it like a textured effect in the final piece. So actually we don't need all of that. I'm only doing a 20 by 20 canvas, so it'll be used, no worries. Rightio. So I just put it there. I'm going to stick that down. It just helps me when I'm lifting the canvas off. So I'm not putting it all straight or anything. I'm leaving it wrinkled. And I'm going to just try this technique with this new pouring medium. Well, it's new to me, and their brand of paints as well. So it's all the same company products. Right here, there you go. I'm just using a little 20 by 20 canvas to do this particular piece on the L foil. On the L foil, aluminium, whatever. Different countries call it different things. I've just got a rack ready, a well and truly well worn cake rack that I'll transfer my canvas onto. So first of all, that's my gecko. I'm gonna just mark out where the corners of my canvas are. It's just so I know where to layer my paint and put my canvas, really. Just a little tip I've kind of learnt for myself. So it's all, remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. I've pre-mixed my paints and I'm going to do my wiggle wiggle effect. So wiggle wiggles. Not related to the children's wiggle wiggles. It's basically just a wiggle wiggle effect, that's all. This is how I find for my pieces, I get the nicest results. There you go, I'm going to use some. So that was unbleached titanium. It's quite thick, which I like using a thicker consistency for dips, which this is going to be, because I'm doing several different techniques, trying this pouring medium out to see how it rates, basically, and if it's a winner chicken dinner. But as I've told in previous video, that I do know it dries really glossy, and you can use it as a gloss coating, but that's in another video. So going with I can't remember the name of this colour. It's yellow deep. So now I'm doing some chevrons on here, which are just basically V's. I just think they leave like a feather effect on your paint when you take it up. You'll see what I mean in a minute. And then I'm going the dioxazine. No, this one's just the purple, I think. Or it might be dioxazine purple, I'm not sure. Do a few V's again. Remember, this is all personal. You can do whatever colours you choose. You can do nice metallic colours, bright colours, dull colours, whatever you fancy, I guess. Just some plain old white always goes well in here. I'm going to end with a wiggle wiggle. This technique is so good to do with your family and friends. It really is. It's fun to do, and you know, you 99% get really lovely results. So it'd be interesting to see what this particular pouring medium helps me achieve, if it's any different from, you know, anything else. So that was a turquoise, and that's very nice. And then I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of black. Don't want to put too much in, but it'll be a contrast then against all those really nice, bright, vibrant colours. You don't have to prepare the canvas. I can just dip straight on there, but I'm going to just go over this particular canvas with the bleached titanium with a little sponge brush. Just give it a little pre-coat. You don't have to do this. It can be really, really thin, but sometimes it's a way of getting your edges done, so you don't have to finish off your edges. Okay, done. There we go. Rightio. So dipping on the alfoil. Normally, if I was going to sell a painting, I do put the masking tape on the back so the back of the painting stays clean. Some people believe that, you know, it's fine to leave all the paint on the back, and it is. You can usually cover it up when you put it in a frame anyway, but I just like a little bit neater finish if I was going to sell it. But this little one, these size canvas, you can give as a gift instead of giving a birthday card or a gift card or a wedding anniversary. Make a little canvas up, and you know, if you've got some stencils or you're really good at calligraphy, you could write on it your message that you would normally put in a card, and they've got a lovely keep forever little painting. So it's a winner chicken dinner. All right, so just pressing it out and then onto your foil and lift it. Oh my goodness, oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Just put it on. There you go. I know my tray doesn't look the best. It's had better days, but I'm still going to keep using it because it does the job. I'm just going to go over that little piece now with my heat wand. That is absolutely gorgeous. You could definitely with the leftover paint do another dip. That's up to you. You may just add a little bit more white to that maybe. Oh, I've got a cobweb under there. Ugh. Okay, wonder where the spider is. So that was just another technique in that particular pouring medium. I can see some little cells coming up. So of course I have to try little balloon kissing in it. It wouldn't be a piece of mine if it didn't have a few balloon kisses. Oh, look how sweet that is. See, your balloon kisses you could put onto cardstock and make some pretty gift cards with it. So it's just kissing the balloon, just a few balloon kisses here and there. And I think that's very sweet. Very, oh, that one's particularly... when you do kiss the balloon into the canvas, it can often bring up colours that you know you've got there that are sitting underneath. So that's gorgeous. Just a few. It looks like fireworks, I think. Beautiful. Love it. I hope you do too. So it's just another technique in the same pouring medium. So I'm going to see how this particular pouring medium dries so I can report to you guys. I am not being paid for this. I have been sent the pouring medium, and I'll give a true well, I'm going to just say it how I find it. Other people have different ideas, and that's all well and good, but I'll let you know my opinion, of my true opinion. Okay, until next time, please stay safe. Don't get stressed out with Christmas. I know it's hard, but it's just another day, one day, that's it, and then we move on. So if you're feeling sad, lonely or overwhelmed, please ring a family member or a friend, and if not, a helpline. If not, more than anything, get in and do something that gives you joy, and this is my joy in life, getting into my art room, throwing paint at a canvas. It's very beneficial, I find, for your mental health. Okay, it's done. Very vibrant look, drying nicely, so I will let you know when it's dry. You'll see the dry photos at the end. Just want to wish you all a stress-free holiday season, and if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Bye for now.